Did you know that over 50% of adults experience gum disease at some point in their lives? Crazy, right? But don't worry. Today I'm going to show you how you can reverse this fast. In this video, you'll learn how to cure gum disease quickly with 5 simple steps that anyone can follow. So if you're ready to take charge of your dental health, stick around. Alright, let's dive in. Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, is no joke. If left untreated, it can lead to serious health issues. We're talking about more than just bad breath or bleeding gums. It can affect your overall health, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even respiratory issues. Yikes! Gum disease starts with plaque buildup, which can harden into tartar, making it even harder to clean. And guess what? It often goes unnoticed until it's too late. So if you've noticed any signs like swollen gums or persistent bad breath, it's time to take action. Now, let's explore each of the 5 steps to combat gum disease effectively. Step 1. Brush your teeth twice a day. Sounds simple, but make sure you're using a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. This helps remove plaque and prevent tartar buildup. Step 2. Floss daily. Seriously, don't skip this one. Flossing removes food particles and plaque from areas your toothbrush just can't reach. Step 3. Rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash. This can help reduce bacteria in your mouth and freshen your breath at the same time. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps wash away food particles and bacteria. Finally, Step 5. Regular dental checkups. Even if you think your teeth are in good shape, a professional cleaning and checkup can catch any issues before they become major problems. Now here comes the most important step. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.